What's up guys, I'm going to do a bike check for you for 2016. I'll start from the top and work my way to the back. So for my grips, I have Odyssey Brock Rayford grips with Odyssey par ends. My handlebars are Stranger Brooks bars, 9.5 rise, and I cut them down to 27 inches wide. For my stem, I have the Odyssey Raft stem, which is Brock Rayford's signature stem. Headset, I have a Primo headset. Forks, Odyssey R25 forks. Really good for nose manuals and really strong. For my front wheel, I have a Primo N4FL complete wheel with a BSD Donasqueak tire, 2.4 in the front. And I have 2 Colt butter pegs. For my frame, I have a Stranger ballast frame in 20.75, and this is my second Stranger frame actually, and I love it. For my seat, I have a Stranger logo seat with the little red design on it, and a random seat post. I'm not exactly sure what it is. For my pedals, I have Odyssey Twisted PC pedals. I always come back to these because they just have the best grip and last the longest. I have E-Claw tibia cranks in 170. They're really strong and I definitely like them. For my sprocket, I have a Sunday Knox sprocket, 25 tooth, and I've had this for a really long time, but it's still holding up good. And for my bottom bracket, I have a E-Claw bottom bracket. My chain, I have a Colt 510 chain in gold. Gotta get that bling on, you know. For the back wheel, I have a Primo Freemix Free Coaster laced to a United rim with another BSD Donasqueak tire in 2.4, and again 2 Colt butter pegs. So that's my bike check. I hope you liked it. Subscribe for more videos like GoPro videos, more bike checks, maybe even some how-tos. Don't forget to like and comment below. Thanks.